So actually we took a I think we took a mistake. We did a mistake by taking a left by trusting Google Auntie. It guided us through an iron bridge which is very old. You can hear the noise now, but the view is good. Very narrow bridge, but we can see so many other vehicles have been parked at this side. So which means it is still commutable road. Yeah, now we have crossed and taken another route. This side, on the right hand side, it looks very beautiful actually. Lots of big stone pebbles there and very clear, crystal clear water flowing through there. I think we are still about 88 kilometers from Manali. I think by 5 we'll reach. If we reach by 5, it is a big achievement. Because I'm very sure we are going to take another 2 or 3 breaks to enjoy the scenery and to take some pictures and all. Plus we need to have some lunch also in between. So I think by 5 only we'll be able to reach Manali. Let's see how it goes. So this is the view of Pandok Dam. They have actually opened one of the shutters of the dam and water looks crystal clear on the other side, and this side it looks creamy green. We've been asked to take a narrow road and apparently we got stuck in a lane where just about one car can pass. Somehow we managed to take a reverse with the available space that we've got, and finally we're heading back to the original route that we need to. So it was a little tough, but yeah, lesson learned. And of course places like hill stations are going to be quite tricky in terms of roads. So you can also you can actually see in 300 meters the condition of the road that we've got into trouble. So we will try and go back through the same bridge that we showed earlier and get back to the NH road and try and reach our destination as soon as possible. With all this, I guess we've lost another 15 minutes as well. So hopefully, yeah. The only positive is that we got a bird's eye view of the dam. That's only positive. We got a couple of snaps and took a small video over there. That's only positive. But yeah, Google just cannot be trusted. That's only message, because we were going in good roads. We were going comfortably, and I have no idea why Google is diverting us in this road where there is absolutely nothing. There is no road. guys, we're still on the way. Interestingly, we saw that there are tunnels being made. Kind of spotted one, and there's another one which I'm trying to kind of capture at the moment. Let's try and get a little closer to the tunnel so that I can give you a good view of how it's been done.
Tunnel T402.
So this apparently has been named as Tunnel T402. So it looks like there's going to be more coming up. The project is just about begun. Like I said, so that's how the whole setup is at this point of time. We could just show you one tunnel, right? And this one is 404. I remember the last one was 402. So I guess in less than 2 kilometers they're making a couple of tunnels like this to make communication easy. Okay, so we've entered the first tunnel. I don't know what it's called, but it's pretty close to the Sainj power plant. We have absolutely no idea, the distance of this tunnel as well, but it looks pretty spooky. But yeah, this is the first tunnel in Himachal that we are entering. Just thought we'll show a glimpse to you guys, just so that you can see. That's the end of the tunnel, and we are back to bad roads. Talk to you guys in a short while.
So we actually stopped for lunch in a place called Banala in this Nitesh Punjabi Dhaba, and the view was simply amazing. So I thought we'll record this and post it. We are waiting for the food. See, down we can see greenish river Bias, and here you have brownish mountains. Nice marigold flower and some, I don't know what that white flower name is, but all looking beautiful. So we ordered roti, aloo gobi, baingan bharta. How's the taste?
Pretty good. Never expected that a small place like this will serve such tasty food. And good thing is the roti is only for 10 rupees, right? So far so good. We've still got more rotis to come, and once we finish lunch, there's no more pit stops on the way. We're already behind schedule. Try and target to reach Manali at least by about 5:30. So yeah, we'll keep you posted in terms of more progress on the way.
So the time is 5:20 and we have reached Manali. And listen to the sound of the flowing water. The flowing water below seems absolutely beautiful, and it must be so cold right now because the air temperature is only 10 degrees. So they are sanitizing our luggage, good, which is one of the good points, and then we'll take it to the room. So this is the room. The room is a little big in size, pretty nicely finished, excellent wooden finishing to it. Little disappointed because there was no balcony in the room. However, if you look at the view from our window, it is absolutely beautiful. You can see the mountains over there, and I believe during winter these mountains will be full of snow. What a view this place is.